Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. Today I have a really exciting launch to share with you guys. K-Beauty by Katrina is launching their first ever eyeshadow palettes. The eyeshadow palettes are launching today, 5th of April on Nykaa, and you're gonna take the first ever look at them with me right here on my channel. So let's begin the video. So in this range there are total 4 eyeshadow palettes. Bare Soul, Pure Bloom, Wild and Free and Self Love, and this is a 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, as you guys can see, and it also has a mirror inside, which makes it so much more convenient to carry around. And if I describe each and every eyeshadow palette, like the color scheme, Bare Soul is nude and smoky, Pure Bloom is floral hues, peachy floral hues, Wild and Free is warm tones, and Self Love is wine and pink shades. So now I'm gonna swatch the eyeshadow palettes on my hand, and then I'm gonna create this eye look using one of the eyeshadow palettes. So let's jump right in. Time for some unboxing. As I mentioned, the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette range comes in 4 versatile palettes for all Indian skin tones, and those are Pure Bloom, Self Love, Wild and Free and Bare Soul. And this beautiful illustrated artwork that you are seeing on top of the packaging is created by Gauravi Sharma specially for K-Beauty. As I showed you guys, the palette comes with a mirror inside, which makes it easy to use and create looks. And apart from the game-changing matte and shimmer shades, the palettes are enriched with macadamia nut oil, which is lightweight oil that is well absorbed, making sure the skin doesn't feel greasy. It is very moisturizing, regenerating and softening on the skin. And also it is enriched with aloe vera oil, which forms a firm hydrated canvas for eyeshadow application and locks in moisture, because the brand believes in makeup that cares. The first palette I have swatched right here is the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette in Self Love, and it has some beautiful matte and shimmer shades, and the formula of the matte shade is not dry at all, and also it's not flaky, and the shimmer is also very highly pigmented. And here are the swatches of the second eyeshadow palette, which is the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette in Wild and Free. I must say the shades of both the palettes have been thoughtfully curated to create unlimited looks using them. Like, you can keep it subtle and simple, and also you can go on full on glamorous using any of these eyeshadow palettes. And the palettes are priced at $11.99 each. So I think I'm gonna go for a smoky eye today, and for that I'll be using the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette in Self Love. And here I have taken the shade Rustic right here. So I'm gonna put the shade in the outer V of my eyes, and the eyeshadows are really pigmented. As you guys can see, one stroke is like enough for intense color payoff, and I'm gonna gently blend it in, and I'm gonna bring it all the way in. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Mocha right here, and I'm gonna deposit it in the outer corner of my eye. So the formula is Silky, which I did feel while I was doing the hand swatches, and it has ultra fine particles, and also the formula is really easily blendable, and the eyeshadows are also smudge proof and transfer proof. Now I'm gonna blend the second shade with the first one. Finally, I'm gonna take the shade Ginger right here, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. So K-Beauty as a brand is cruelty free, and their products are free from paraffin and mineral oil, and all of their products are also dermatologically tested. I have used the shade Petal to highlight my brow bones, and this is the final look. So that was it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Links to the eyeshadow palettes would be mentioned in the description box down below. Don't miss out on them, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.